Hello everyone. Today we have Apple Watch for 44mm and battery brought it for battery replacement. He said battery is draining quickly, so we have a new battery. In this video I will show you how to change the battery on Apple Watch 4. Before the video, I put the screen on the hot surface to soften the tape under the screen, and I used this alcohol to open it safely. So as you can see, I need to just make a little bit gap between the screen and the frame. Don't insert the plate too much inside so you don't damage the LCD or the internal components. Perfect. So this way you have to open it very carefully, very slowly. Here we go. Yeah, battery a little bit swollen. This is the battery connector. We remove this tiny screw. Make sure we cleaned the alcohol we added. Okay, so everything is working. So we have this kind of a glue. We'll seal the frame and close it, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you have any iPad, iPhone, Apple Watch, you need battery replacement, give us a call 416-587-7105. Thank you.